This is one of our renovated studios. This is a Bellevue. It's 475 square feet. As you walk in, you'll have a pantry, closet, and entry. You can use this as a linen closet. You can use it as food storage, whatever you need. This is your HVAC, your thermostat, right next to your galley style kitchen, which has stainless steel appliances and refinished cabinet faces. Then on your back wall is 3 windows and your open studio space. Now we refer to this layout as a U shape because of the shape made between the entry, your sleeping space, and this dressing area. In this area you have your clothes storage, closet on the right-hand side, your utility closet, new washer and dryer, and your bathroom. And this is apartment 1022.